Welcome to the channel where we embrace our age, elevate our style, and make everyday life a little more beautiful. Welcome home. Welcome to today's Walmart haul. This is part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Let's talk about this neoprene bucket bag. So I vision this to be used to carry my water bottle that I'm always carrying around. Not like my day-to-day, but those days where, I don't know, maybe you go to a festival or wherever you're at and you want to carry your water bottle, but you want your hands free. Throw it in here. It's got a zip up the side. And then you can even cinch it down so it doesn't fall out the top if you lean over or something. Then you have another pocket here for your phone. And I guess you can hook your keys on there so that you don't lose those. And if you wanted to hook it on, say, your belt or something, you could. So you've got nice Velcro. It seems like pretty sturdy Velcro. There's a side handle here. And then this is adjustable. And this is how big it goes. I feel like this is going to come in handy. Trying to look to see what the current price is. Now, prices on all of this stuff can vary. $15.96 right now. There's another outside pocket here. And this is that neoprene material, kind of like wetsuit material, kind of. So you could just throw it in the washer if it gets dirty. And this black color will hide a lot of that dirt. I just think this is going into my travel, whether it's traveling near or traveling far. I think this will come in handy. Let me know what you think. Am I crazy, or could that possibly be useful? Time and True women's Espadrille Slingback shoes. These were so comfortable. I could wear these all day. I could go to Disney World in these right out of the box. And it was just amazing how comfortable they were. Definitely keeping these. I am almost 5'7", so height has always been an issue. And I'm not one of those women that are comfortable wearing heels. I wear them when I have to. Otherwise, this is my type of heel. Highly recommend. These are super cute. These take me back, you know, to high school when espadrilles were a thing. I feel like these colors, these nice neutral colors, can go with anything. Highly recommend. And currently, where I am at, they are $26.98 for this color. They have pink, black, and then another sparkle. I'm not sure. Check them out. Next, the No Boundaries Ballet Flat Sneakers. I believe the current trend name is Sneakerina. I mean, these were okay. I want to like flats or ballet flats. And I have nothing, they look super cute on other people, but when I put them on my feet and the things that I wear, I won't say that I never like them, but rarely do I like them. I'm more so a loafers girl, or tennis shoes, or boots, or mules. But I'm trying. I'm trying. Let me know your thoughts. This is a nice, seems like it's wipeable, but it kind of feels soft, like faux suede, or it doesn't have, not suede. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it feels soft. And then this is like faux canvas. Let's just look. So it's polyurethane and thermoplastic rubber. That's why I couldn't explain it, because it's some rare material that they're coming out with. These were really easy to get on. They were comfortable. You just kind of slip your foot in there. It's got a nice memory foam footbed. And I have a normal size, not a normal size, normal width foot. And they were comfortable. Check them out if they're your cup of tea. I forgot to mention the Ballet flats. I believe currently where I'm at, they are $24.98. Next, I really loved this. No Boundaries side tie tiered maxi skirt. I got this in a size large. No Boundaries is a juniors brand, but they seem to be generalizing their sizes with women's sizes, or it seems like it. I could see this with a white t-shirt and a jean jacket, or with that blue shirt that I had it on with. Don't wear a whole lot of dresses and skirts. I feel like dresses, it's hard for my proportions. Don't have a small waist and bigger hips like most women. And I think a lot of dresses fit that body type better, but I can do a skirt. This does have like a internal slip layer, and I think I pointed to it during the try on, and it comes down to, an adequate length to cover everything. This is very girly and springy, and my husband and I are going on a trip in March, and I'm thinking I'll definitely take this and a t-shirt and some flip-flops, and that could be, super cute outfit for when we go out, or something easy to pack, easy to throw on, something easy to style. The skirt is currently $15.98. Next, let's talk about these Time and True women's studded mules. These are really cute. And my initial response is, that's a little bit too much for me. But having tried them on, seen them in person, I'm thinking a jean pair of shorts, maybe, a white t-shirt, and then throwing these on to like a barbecue or something where you just want to wear a little something extra. These could be that. They would make that outfit, yet it wouldn't be too much. And they're a nice neutral color that they could go with just about anything. These are nice. And again, Time and True's got that memory foam in there. Pretty comfortable. I had no complaints. And currently they are $22.98. These almost are like a bluish purple. Almost like a pale lavender. What color? It says blue. And up until this moment, they were blue to me. But then I'm like, it's almost got a little bit of lavender in it. So it could go either way. Next, let's talk about this bag. The Free Assembly Women's Maria Cutout Bucket Bag in black and cream. So this in here is like a canvas. It's like a inside layer. It's not loose in any way. It's stitched in, but this is loose in here, if you can see what I'm saying. This feels so soft. It feels like quality material. It does not look like a cheap bag. Walmart's really improving on so many things. It's narrow and it gets thicker, so it's got a nice drop height and is comfortable on the shoulder. It's got a nice magnetic clasp. It's got a pocket on each side. And that's a decent size bag. If you're carrying more than that, you probably should downsize. Speaking to myself. This is from Free Assembly, and it's currently $26 where I'm at. It's got nice quality looking stitching. Nothing's cheap looking about it. No feet on the bottom. A nice bag though. Next, let's talk about the Time and True Midi shirt dress with long sleeves. This one. It is currently $9.95 where I'm at. And this is, I want to see what the material is. Tencel. Medium Tencel wash. Let me see. It's soft. It didn't cling to all those things. It's 100% lyocell. It didn't cling to anywhere you don't want things clinging to, if you know what I mean. I like shirt dresses. The only thing, and you know, this has been, I steamed it for the haul, and then it's been folded up, which you wouldn't generally fold it up after that. But I feel like it would potentially wrinkle as you wear it, much like linen, and I struggle with that. It just doesn't make me happy. I wore size large, and I almost felt like I should have sized down, but I knew I couldn't size down because in this area, when I would go like this, a medium I wouldn't have been comfortable in. So it was, if you were smaller on top, and maybe, you know, you're more hippie, I'm very straight and don't have a lot of going on besides like in the front. But this is a cute dress and it would be super comfortable and just airy. And I think it would be an excellent spring dress. I don't know if they have any other colors. It doesn't appear that way. Next up, the Time and True ribbed panel V-neck sweater with long sleeves. I'm wearing a size large, which it's supposed to be oversized. I could definitely go down to a medium, no problem. Right now, currently, it's showing me $10.79. So soft. I mean, so soft. Snag this up. It's got these seams on the outside. It's got the drop shoulder, V-neck. This is perfect weight for spring, even summer. Like on summer nights, wear your tank and throw this over. You're going somewhere because you know it's going to get chilly. That's me. I'm that girl. I never go anywhere without a layer of some sort with me. Soothing Lilac is this color. It's a beautiful light purple, Easter color. Yeah, highly recommend that. If this video spoke to you, and if you found something here that truly helped or inspired you, I'd love for you to let me know by giving it a like and pressing the hype button. And if you're a woman who's ready to keep growing, keep learning, and showing up for herself in new ways, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'd also like to invite you to explore some of the other videos I created. Each one was designed just for you. Each one was designed with you in mind. Each one was created with you in mind. So if you're enjoying the content and finding real value in it, stay connected. I'm so glad you're here. And I cannot wait to continue this journey with you.